Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Subscription Pro platform. So first of all, I'm going to sign in with my company Google account. Once I'm signed in, I'll be transferred to this page, the Subscription Pro dashboard. Now, if we start by looking at the left-hand navigation bar, at the top we have the dashboard, which shows us some basic bits of information. Then we have the subscriptions page, which shows us all of our subscriptions. Then we have change requests, that are all the changes that have been made to our accounts. And we have the admin center, which is only open for whoever is defined as the system's super admin. So let's start with the dashboard. First of all, we can see some basic bits of information such as our ARR, number of instances under our management, and the last change request that's been made. We can see top instances by ARR, and we can see top upgrades and downgrades. Next, if we go to the subscriptions page, we can see a list of all our subscriptions. Let's choose one and look at more details. So first of all, when we click on View More, we see some of the account information. We see contact information. In this case, it's empty because this is just an example account, but it will be full. We can see billing information. In the Associated Products tab, you'll be able to see all of your reseller products and Zendesk products. Now, if you want to edit the Zendesk products, you'll have to create a change request and change the Zendesk products. If you do that and submit a request, an email will be sent to that account owner so they can approve it. On the other hand, if you want to change your reseller product, you can just edit the product. So for example, here I'm going to choose edit, add this product, save, and I've added it. So let's remove it now. Cool. If I go to change requests, I can see the history of all the changes that this account has made in the past. Now, if you want to see a list of all the changes that have been made to your account, let's go to change requests. So in change requests, we can see a list of all the changes that have been made, when, by who, status. So let's view one of those changes. For example, this one that's already been approved. So we go here, we can see some information about the change. We also have an option to add a tag. So for example, 1, 2, 3, save. Now it's saved, we're going to remove it now. Cool. Now, the last tab we have is the admin center, which is only open to super admins, so I'm going to be quite brief about that one. Overall, in this tab, you can manage user permissions. So all the different users in your account, you can give them permissions. You can add products to your reseller and edit existing product. So that's overall it. And once you're done, you can click sign out right here underneath your name, and you're out of the system.